Bridge. And this is London Tower. Tower of London. The Sky Garden. And now we reach to the London Tower Bridge. On our right side you can see the Tower Castle as Vic prompted it. I would say London Tower. Hey Tower! London Tower. And that's there. City Thames Link. Means a river. A River Thames Link. If you take Uber boats or any kind of boats from here, you can go to the Canary Wharf, which is £10 almost per person. And we took a ride in the Cambridge, what do we call it? Portland. Not sure what the word it was. The Shard. One of the highest top highest building in the Europe. It has a height of 116 feet tall, and that's up there. It's a London Bridge. Look at there, Vivek. London Bridge. And this city giant tower, designed and architected by Renzo Piano in 2012, has been built up. So we will one day in upcoming future we will be having dinner on such boat on the River Thames Link. So this bridge can open. So we took a ride at the Cambridge, which was we did a river punting in a river camp, and it wasn't that worth it actually. So if you got a chance, if you're coming here, make sure you're boarding on the boats on River Thames Link, which are going to Canary Wharf. I think it will take like £7 to £10, but that wasn't that fascinating or interesting punting boat ride. So that was it. The shot. 310 meters tall. Third UK's largest skyscrapers. Day. Wow, it's a London Bridge. 8. Platform 4. On this side, 7, 8. This is Thameslink. It's night time. What time it is? 11:15. We're back in Brighton. That was nice.